Let's all together, my dear Shining Star, learn English.
Swiftly.
Okay, superb. So here we go. Our first thing with the dictation word. So write it down faster once again. Smoothinies, smoothinies, smoothinies. Second word is timpani, timpani, timpani. Third word is handsy, handsy, handsy. Okay. So wishing you a pleasant evening, everybody.
Wishing you a pleasant evening, ma'am.
Thank you. How have you been doing lately, my dear Shining Stars?
I'm thriving.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear Shining Stars. Are you ready for today's session?
Initiating the session now.
Initiating the session now. Okay, let's do the preposition faster. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between, above it, everybody should do it.
Below it.
Yeah, below it, around it, beside it, up it, down it, inside it, outside it, across it, against it, near it, accept it, beyond it, beneath it, upon it, towards it, front side, to side, about it, and all around. Very nice. So, guys, after dictation, we are moving to pronunciation, and here are the pronunciation. So, first word is smoothness. Say, everybody. Next is spew. Timpanies. Handsy. Fantastic. If you could see or hear, the other meaning returns over there. That is spew means to pour out. Okay, something to pour out. For example, if you could see that something is, the water is pouring the soup or the milk, anything you pour out. Okay, so it's spew. Timpanies means to large drum. Okay, large drum which used in orchestra. Hansi is a famous brand of any alcohol. All right. So let's move to the longest word. Today's longest word is none other but it is smithereens. Okay. So let's say three times again. Smithereens. So this all meaning are small broken pieces. Okay, small broken pieces of anything. So here is the first, para which you could first line if you could see, blow up into smithereens. Okay, it means blow up to explode or burst. Smithereens means to very small pieces in tiny fragment, and it's often it is written that we use in the song expression or any strong emotions. Okay, so it is, and here's when we are talking in this stanza, हम यहाँ पे जो बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सच में ब्लो अप नो जब हम बोलते हैं ओ मेरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन से सर फट जाएगा राइट इन हिंदी so we say like in English I blow up into smithereens. Okay, so कोई भी खुश होके भी बोल सकता हो कभी बहुत ज्यादा मतलब बहुत ज्यादा जब आप खुश होते हो किसी भी बात से आप blow up into smithereens तो जब आपको सकता है कि कुछ भी बहुत सा हो जाए. ओके, सो आप blow I cannot laugh anymore. I cannot feel. So कोई भी strong emotion के बाद आप बोल सकते हो I blew up into smithereens. So let's try with I, you, he, she, they, we. जो हम रोज करते हैं उसके साथ एक्टिविटी करेंगे. I will blow up into smithereens. You will blow up into smithereens. You will blow up into smithereens. She'll blow up into smithereens. They will blow up into smithereens. We will blow up into smithereens. Action सभी क्या करो. Whenever we are doing, do the action. It is a body-mind engagement. That is the reason our institute called PhD Research Framework. हमारा अगर बॉडी और माइंड किसी भी चीज में एक्टिविटी में इंगेज रहता है तो हम उसे जिंदगी भर के लिए बहुत इजीली सीख सकते हैं. ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी sit up right and let's get ready. Now it's a reading time. I'm going to read first and second time you are going to read. So my dear shining stars, अगर आप पेंसिल भी चाहो तो पेंसिल भी ले सके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. I blow up into symphony like this and that you can try with the accent which we have already done in the pronunciation practice, right? I blow up with the smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease. Like finishing this melody, this feels like a necessity. So this could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. Now come in with the timpanis and take a shot of Hennessy. And I know I'm not there mentally, but you could be a remedy. So let me play my violin for you. Okay, so let's do this all together, guys. Unmute yourself and read it faster with the style and
I blow up
accent.
I blow up
into the
symphony and
and
blow up
my
my
teeny symphony
tiny symphony, and
down
all
is
I need
I run up
while
with
try
my
and
down
down again with my mind.
finishing this
Finishing this melody
like a necessity.
this melody
Be the death of me,
maybe just
like
a
a
better me,
necessity,
or
maybe
the
better now
timpani
of my
stops.
God should
I am not
achieve
here
you
mentally, but
know not whether or not
we
you can be
let
a remedy. You
Bolin
could be the remedy. Let me
Okay, guys, I believe we have done this. So kindly practice it nicely. Now here it is. There is a paragraph given, or the meaning is given of the first sentence as spew my tiny symphony. So what is the meaning of spew my tiny symphony? So let's read this. So those, okay, I'm going to call the name and you are going to read it accordingly. So first, Ankit Patel, you can read it down.
and spew by teeny symphony.
Tiny
Spew,
symphony, tiny.
okay. Tiny symphony. Spew, pour out, release forcefully. Teen, teeny symphony, a small
Tiny
collection.
symphony, tiny symphony.
Sorry. Tiny symphony, a small collection of musical thoughts of or feelings. Meaning, I will pour out my little musical creation or my emotion through music.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Next one, Jyoti ma'am, you can read it.
yes, all up and down a city street, all up and down, everywhere along city street, roads in a city, meaning I will let my music or feeling be heard all over the streets. I want the world to hear it.
Okay, guys, let me tell you the meaning one first. First one, and a spew my tiny symphony means to pour out, to release forcefully, or it's a small collection of the musical thought or feelings. It means I'll pour my little musical creation of my emotion through music. Okay, so हम music से ज़्यादा express कर सकते हैं ना अपनी feelings को. So the point is saying कि मैं ऐसा ही करती हूँ. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Then all up and down a city street. तो आप अगर आप देखोगे बहुत सारी जगह पर अगर दिल्ली मेट्रो सिटीज में स्ट्रीट में ही ये सब होता है स्ट्रीट में लोग गाते हैं ऑर्केस्ट्रा बजाते हैं राइट isn't it it happens or not so it's like
yes,
that
ma'am.
yeah
Yes, ma'am.
so it goes like that now third next one is Yashashvi yeah you can read it
While trying to put my mind at say, claim
at
myself
ease
at
Mhm.
ease, claim myself, relax my thought, calm myself down to
It's
find
calm
peace
calm
in my
calm
mind.
okay guys well try to put my mind at ease try to means trying to making efforts to put my mind at ease means calm myself and meaning I'm doing this to making music to calm myself down to find peace in the mind okay so अब like she's saying कि मैं अपने mind को calm and peace कर रही हूँ okay I'm trying to put my mind at ease okay बहुत ease में तो आप पीछे पिक्चर्स भी देख रहे हो okay पीछे जो पिक्चर्स देख रहे हो whatever the background is there वही same meaning भी है okay it is relatable meaning now let's see like finishing this melody finishing with completing melody musical tune and meaning completing this piece of music feels like something necessary and comforting. Yuvika.
Like finishing this melody, finishing, completing melody, musical
Musical
tone,
tune.
musical tune, meaning completing the piece of music feels like something necessary and comfort.
Yeah, all the students should read by muting also, okay? Okay, let's move to the next one. Pavni, this feels like a necessity, feels like, seems like necessity, something essential or needed, meaning it feels like a must do this. It's something important and necessary for me, okay? So it is, she's saying that it is very important and necessary for me to do this, okay? So yes, over to you.
This feels like a necessity, feels like, seems like. Necessity, something essential or needed. Meaning, it feels like I must do this. It's something important and necessary for me. Thank you.
Super. Okay, amazing. All right, let's move to the next one. So this could be the death of me. Death of me is something that destroys or may lead to my end, and meaning maybe the efforts will exhaust me and hurt me deeply. तो इसका मतलब सच में नहीं that वो ये नहीं बोली मैं सच में मर जाऊंगी, बोल रही थक जाऊंगी. Okay, especially so एक so it is said कि वो हम कहते हैं ना कि मरे हुए जैसे कि बिहेव करेगा. एग्जॉस्टेड इंसान ऐसे ही होता है, लाइक जो ऐसे बिहेव करता है. तो एनर्जेटिक इंसान अलाइव होता है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट वी से. अभी आई एम लाइवली और एग्जॉस्टेड मतलब आई एम जज, राइट? सो मतलब ये नहीं हम मर चुके हैं, इट मींस आई एम एग्जॉस्टेड. ओके, तो यहाँ पर ये कह रहे हैं कि सो दिस कुड बी द डेथ ऑफ मी, मतलब अब मैं बहुत थक सकती हूँ इसमें, लाइक समथिंग दैट डिस्ट्रॉयज मी. सो इट कैन बी लाइक दिस. सो यस, आराध्य भटगरे, रीड इट.
So this could be the death of me. Death of me? Something that destroys me or leads to my end. Meaning, maybe these efforts will exhaust me or hurt me deeply.
Absolutely awesome. Okay. And the next one is, or maybe just better me. अब क्या होता है, जो भी हम कोई अच्छा काम कर रहे होते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज की क्लास में बहुत कुछ एक्साइटमेंट है, अभी हम बहुत अच्छा अच्छा कुछ करने वाले. सो हाउ इट इज, पर इस इनिशियली स्टेज में जब आप कुछ करते हो तो दो ही तरीके होते हैं, टू थिंग्स आते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट इज या तो आप थक जाते हो या तो बेटर बन जाते हो. ओके, सो दो में से एक चीज होगी. तो व्हाट शी सेज कि हो सकता है मैं थक जाऊं रास्ते में ये चीज करते करते, या हो सकता है मैं बेटर बन जाऊं. ओके, और मे बी जस्ट अ बेटर मी. ओके, so let's try to read it. Or maybe just a better me, an improved version of myself. Meaning, or maybe instead of destroying me, it will become a better, stronger person. Yes, Swati, read it. Read out.
Or maybe just a better me, an improved version of myself, meaning, or maybe instead of destroying me, it will help me become a better, stronger person. Thank you.
Absolutely awesome. Now there is another page, and it is now come in with the timpanis. Come in, bring in, join करो मुझे. Timpanis, large drum used in an orchestra. मुझे orchestra बजाने में मेरे साथ enjoy करो. Still remember, I was in Malaysia road and I was going, and हर जगह उधर हर 2 minutes में 2 minutes में there was an orchestra bands. So there was a guy in the orchestra. He said that, "Hello, ma'am, where are you from?" I said, India. Okay, let me sing Hindi song for you. So he has stopped English and Malaysian song and he started Hindi song, and that was beautiful because the accent and the way they were trying it out. So that was beautiful. So let's try to read by Nukunj. Yes, Nukunj, read it out. Yes.
Now come in with the typeness, come in
Timpanis.
timpanis, come in, bring in joint, timpanis, large drums used in orchestra, meaning bringing in the drumstick, drums, adding intensity to the music.
Intensity to the music. Okay. Deepti ma'am, could you quickly call to Ramandeep ma'am, because she's trying continuously to connect, but she couldn't. So ask her to switch off and switch on and then try to connect it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, she's struggling a lot from last 20 minutes. Okay, guys. So now is and take a shot of Hennessy. So take a shot means drink quickly something, usually alcohol. Hennessy is a famous brand name of the alcohol. So having a drink possibly to loosen up, relax, and cope up the stress. Okay. So as it in foreign countries, it is so normal to drink and all. So these people do this. They will find that this is the easy way to do it. So let's try to read it out. Those students who hasn't read yet, so they can raise your hand, so I can give the chance to them. So Deepti ma'am, can you read this? Unmute.
And take a shot of Hennessy. Uh, a short drink quickly, usually alcohol. Hennessy, a famous brand of cognac alcohol, meaning have a
Cognic alcohol.
cognic alcohol, meaning is have a drink, possibly to loosen up, relax, or cope with the stress.
Okay, superb. Let's move to the next one. I know I'm not there mentally. So not there mentally कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना क्लास में होते ही नहीं हो दिखते तो हो पर होते नहीं हो ध्यान ही कहीं और होता है. So I know I'm not there mentally. Not there mentally, not feeling stable or well emotionally. जब हम इमोशनली किसी बात से परेशान होते हैं तभी हमारा माइंड सेट नहीं होता फोकस्ड नहीं होता. So I know my mind isn't in a good and stable place right now. तो बोल रही है कि गाते हुए मेरा ध्यान पूरा उधर नहीं है बट ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. सो आई एम बस ट्राइंग इट. सो लेट्स ट्राई. जिन्होंने नहीं बोला है गाइस ओनली वो ही रेज हैंड करेंगे. जिन्होंने बोल लिया वो लोअर कर ले हैंड्स को. ओके सो या ओके यस अनमोल काइंडली रीड इट.
Ma'am, may I leave the class, ma'am?
ओके इफ यू वांट नो प्रॉब्लम. यस अनमोल ओवर टू यू.
I know I am not there mentally, not feeling stable or well emotionally, meaning I know my mind isn't in a good or stable place right now. Thank you.
Super. Okay. Now, I think there are two more and then it is over. So, बच्चे could be the remedy. Okay. तो होता क्या है ऑल अलोन करने में तो कुछ मजा नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं रैप कर रही हूँ ठीक है मुझे मजा आ गया बट वेन आई रैप एंड यू ऑल लिसन एंड क्लैप सो यहाँ पर मेरी रेमेडी होती है. यहाँ पर मुझे खुशी होती है दैट या आई हैव डन समथिंग टुडे राइट. सो ऐसा होता है कि जब लाइफ में हम कभी परेशान होते हैं तो हमें करना क्या है बट वी हैव टू जस्ट डू वन थिंग. हमारा टैलेंट शो करना शुरू करो और जब लोग उसको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे तो हमें याद आएगा हम कौन है क्या है और ये हमारे लिए रेमेडी हो सकती है राइट. So, but you could be the remedy, okay? So she's saying remedy is a cure, solution, something that heals you. But you might be the who can help me with to make her feel better, okay? So yes, Ramandi ma'am, you can read it out. Ramandi ma'am, are you there? Okay, Aditya, you can read it.
But
Yeah.
you could be the remedy, your solution, but that heals, meaning, but you might be the one who can help heal me or make me feel better.
Super. Okay. So I think it is the last one. Yeah, last line it is. So let me play my violin for you. So as she is saying कि आप ही तो आप सभी तो जो मुझे एकदम अच्छा फील करवाएंगे राइट. आई विल बी हैप्पी यू विल मेक मी हील. तो मैं आप सभी के लिए आज ये वॉयलिन में ना बजा रही हूँ. ओके सो लेट मी प्ले माय वॉयलिन फॉर यू. प्ले माय वॉयलिन टू एक्सप्रेस माय इमोशंस ऑफन सैडनेस थ्रू म्यूजिक. ओके एंड लेट मी एक्सप्रेस ऑल दिस फीलिंग एंड स्ट्रगल्स थ्रू माय म्यूजिक जस्ट फॉर यू. तो ये मैं म्यूजिक के थ्रू आप सभी को मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम सारा परेशानी बताऊंगी. ओके सो इट गोज लाइक दिस. सो आई थिंक सी जब भी हम किसी चीज में गुस्सा होते हैं दुखी होते हैं वी आर क्राइंग वी आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड. सो हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन होते हैं. पहला ऑप्शन होता है कि हम रोते रहे. सेकंड ऑप्शन होता है कि हम अपने टैलेंट पे वर्क करें और इट रियली बेस्ट वे एज आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे राइट. सो जब आप वो करते हो तो इट रियली गिव्स यू लॉट्स ऑफ एनर्जी एंड rejuvenation राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. सो लेट्स या Amandeep Bharti, you can read it out faster.
So let me play my violin for you. Play my violin, express emotions, often sadness through music. Meaning, let me express all these feelings and struggles through my music just for you. Thank you.
Super. Okay. So I now here's the last reading part. We are going to do is okay. I feel like I will break into little pieces. ये पूरा का पूरा जो आपने करा उसका एक प्रॉपर समरी है जिसका मतलब बता रखा है मीनिंग बता रखा है. I feel like I'll break into a little pieces. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत सारे पीसेस में वो आगे की बात करती पर वो आगे की जो भी बात करती है मैं आपसे ये कहूंगी कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है हम किसी बात के लिए सक्सेस के लिए कुछ बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रहे होते राइट. पर हमें ऐसा लगता है कि अब ये नहीं हुआ ना तो हम लोग लिटिल पीसेस में बिखर जाएंगे. आई फील लाइक आई ब्रेक इनटू लिटिल पीसेस राइट. सो आई लेट आउट माय स्मॉल सॉन्ग. तो अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अपने एक छोटा सा सॉन्ग निकाल रही हूँ. प्ले इट ऑन द स्ट्रीट बिकॉज आई वांट टू फील काम. तो मैं स्ट्रीट पर आज ही इसको गाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम फील करना चाहती हूँ कि वो सिंगर है, उसे इसे करने में ज्यादा काम फील होता है, काम मतलब पीसफुल फील होता है, शांत फील होता है। मेकिंग दिस सॉन्ग फील वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी। ओके, तो ये सॉन्ग, ये गाना मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये टैलेंट शो करना मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इट माइट हर्ट मी और मे बी हेल्प मी बिकमिंग बेटर। जब भी हम कंफर्ट जोन से निकलते हैं जोर जबरदस्ती करके, हम किसी बात पे दुखी होते हैं, परेशान होते हैं, और फिर कंफर्ट जोन से निकल के अपने टैलेंट पे वर्क करना शुरू करते हैं, क्योंकि हम हमारा माइंड सेट नहीं होता है। तो क्या हो सकता है मुझे हर्ट कर जाए, ये मुझे परेशान कर जाए, या मैं थक जाऊं, या मैं बेटर हो जाऊं। I add big drum sounds and take a little drink because my mind is not feeling okay. So I'll take a little drink और उसके बाद I'll be not in my conscious, और फिर मैं बहुत तेज से ड्रम बजाकर ऑर्केस्ट्रा करूंगी, सो बीट करूंगी। सो ओ बट मे बी यू कैन हेल्प मी फील बेटर, सो आई प्ले सॉन्ग फॉर यू। और आप जब देखोगे मुझे सुनोगे तो आप अप्रिशिएट भी करोगे और आप सब मुझे फील बेटर करवा सकते हो। सो आई प्ले दिस सॉन्ग फॉर यू। सो अब सबको क्या करना है, एक साथ अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू रीड इट। ओके, लेट्स डू इट गाइस, लेट्स डू इट फास्टर।
I
The last
feel
one,
like
and then
I
I feel like
I feel like a
I
well
I let
feel
content
like
a little
I
bit
let out
play
little.
so I let
I let out my song.
it
It
because
at
I
least
want to
very
one
because I want to.
it might
very important to me.
be help
Songs
because I
is
want
important to me
and
Maybe help me because that
or
take
make
little
better
help
and
me
big drum
better.
sound.
help.
Okay, my dear Shansa, well done. Okay, so after class also you can practice it out. Now, here it is. This is a song, right? So we are supposed to do the song, okay? So this is one of the amazing song, but it is quite faster. So I thought that we should try it out. So it goes like this. I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony. Okay, all up and down a city street while trying, but my manner is like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity. So this could be a death of me. Uh, okay, or maybe just a better me. Now come in with my timpanis and take a shot of Hennessy. I know I'm not there mentally, but you could be the remedy. So let me play my violin for you. Okay, so this is how the song goes in a very very simple manner. Okay, so let's try it out, guys. एक बार और आप सुन सकते हो. I can try it out. Let me make this lyrics more like this. Yeah, मेरे लिए easy भी हो गया. So let's try. एक बार और सुन लेंगे, guys. एक बार और सुन लेंगे, and after that, everybody can try it out. Okay, एक बार और सुन लेंगे. One more time, you can listen. So it goes like this. I blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphonies all up and down a city street with China, but my melodies like finishing with some melody. This feels like a necessity. This could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. And now come into symphonies and take a shot of Hennessy. I know I'm in the mentally, but you could be the remedy. So let me play my violin for you. Okay, so this is how the song goes. So everybody can try, guys, by unmuting yourself. Let's start.
Blow
I
up
will
into seven
Blow up
my
to
turn
beneath and
All
my
up
teeny
and down a
symphony,
city
all
street,
up
while trying to put my
be
melody
quite
like finishing this
my
this
like sing this melody. Take a
or maybe just a
day
better me.
could be
Now
the death
come
of
in
me.
the timpani and
Just
take a shot
me
of honey and now I'm in the mentally, but you
and
could be the
sort of
remedy. So let
Hennessy.
me
I
play my
knew I am
violin
not
for you.
you could be the remedy. So let me
Okay,
play my
awesome,
violin
my dear
for
Shining Stars.
you.
Well done, well done. You did a great job. You can also record this song and send it to me. Okay. As we are not leaving, okay, for the recording session, we are saying this because after this, I'm going to share the screen with the song, okay, but not on the Zoom call. I'm going to share it because it gives a copyright. So it has been pleasure to connect with you. Wishing you a wonderful time ahead.
Nice
It has
connecting
been
with
nice
you.
connecting with
Thank you,
you.
ma'am. Have a
Thank you,
wonderful time.
ma'am.
It's been pleasure connecting with you.
Nice to
Thank you so much,
communicating
man.
with you.